Working in enterprise IT and dealing with HPDATA backup files from HPDATA Protector? These are backup files from a professional enterprise backup solution. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and restore from these HPDATA Protector backup files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading HPDATA file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A file created by HPDATA Protector, an enterprise-level backup and recovery software, now owned by Micro Focus. Users encounter this file when they need to restore data from a backup set, such as recovering files, application data, or entire systems after a failure. The primary user intent is data restoration and disaster recovery. This is a proprietary binary container format designed for efficient storage and retrieval of large volumes of backup data. It likely includes metadata, compression, and encryption layers to ensure data integrity, security, and to minimize storage footprint. The structure is optimized for sequential writing during backup and random access during restore operations. To ensure best performance with HPDATA, always start with Micro Focus Data Protector from Micro Focus. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows does not parse backup indexes or catalogs, so browsing them requires compatible utilities. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your HPDATA file and select Open With. If Micro Focus Data Protector is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If your HPDATA file will not open yet, do not panic. This HPDATA file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, restoring with Data Protector. Launch HPDATA Protector or Micro Focus Data Protector Manager and connect to your backup server. Use the restore context to browse backup sessions containing HPDATA files. Select files or full systems for restoration. Specify destination paths and submit the restore job. The software handles decryption, decompression, and integrity verification automatically. Next, using internal database, verify the data protector. Internal database IDB is accessible as it tracks all HPDATA backup sessions. Use the OmniDeep check command to validate database integrity. The IDB is essential for locating and restoring data from HPDATA files since the backup format relies on catalog metadata for proper restoration operations. Finally, contacting Micro Focus support. For HPDATA files that won't restore properly, contact Micro Focus support through microfocus.com. Enterprise support specialists can assist with corrupted backups, database issues, and complex restoration scenarios. Provide your support contract details, environment information, and detailed error messages for fastest resolution of business-critical backup issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagic, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.